Hey everybody, I'm Dave. Today I'm going to be installing a water filtration canister that Frizzlife sent me. It's the FK99 series. It's a 10,000 gallon water filtration canister. I'm going to do the unbox, show you all the parts, show you the install. Now that we've got the unit unpacked, I'm going to take this in. We're going to be installing this underneath the sink. The customer today has been complaining about the water has a bit of an odor, so I'm hoping that this filtration system will solve those issues. That's the install on the FK99. It does come with this adapter. I didn't need to use this. The sink that I installed it on had standard threads, so this is a little adapter if you need that for your application. The sink that I installed this under is a business, and the owner was complaining that when his customers wash their hands, the water had a bit of an odor. Did a test afterwards, just kind of a sniff test, and it did remove the odor out of the water. So the owner's really pleased. He's a friend of mine, so his customers will be happy when they wash their hands in the restroom. And the FK99, I give it my seal of approval. If you like it, you can go to Frizzlife and order one for yourself. They also have other products like reverse osmosis, water filtration systems, and a variety of different water filters. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.